What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review, I guess you'll call it. Really, we're already here installing this product, so we figured we'd go ahead and film it, of the Luxe Light Wrap. This stuff, hands down, best stuff we've ever used. This is going to be the Mid-Smoke Gloss. I've used a lot of other products for taillight tinting over the years, and this stuff is hands down the best product we've ever used. Super easy to install, whether you've installed anything before or you're a professional installer. You're a professional installer, you already know about this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. All right, so this one's got some pretty deep recesses on it. Got some pretty rough corners right here and here that'll cause a little bit of an issue, but nothing major. And then it flattens out here and it's rounded here as well. So be a couple little wrinkles that we'll have to deal with there. But other than that, this will be pretty easy and straightforward. I'm gonna set this camera back just a hair here. And there we go. We've already cleaned, prepped the taillight area. So we really have to worry about that. I'm gonna try to get this as close as possible for the first try. Make sure we've got plenty of room to pull this around. All right. So we're gonna lock it in. Gonna lock in these edges here. This stuff will scar on you if you're not careful. So try to make as many times as you have to peel this thing up minimal. We're gonna go ahead and lock this edge down here. Like that right there, you don't wanna do. So I'm gonna heat up this top section just a little bit here and this bottom section here. We're going to try to get some of that good vertical tension that we were talking about earlier. Which we're good at the bottom, not so much on the top. So we can go ahead and lock this in without getting any nasty bubbles or wrinkles in it. Which this stuff is air egress, so bubbles and channels and all that good stuff. It does come out fairly easy. Yes, like so. Boom. All right, so we're pretty good down there. We're gonna redress this up top. Try to get some more of that vertical tension. Try to deal with these corners. This stuff does take heat extremely well, so be careful. There we go. Now we're locked in on all those edges there. Come back. And straighten all this up. That looks terrible. Round 2. Let's try this one more time. That's what we're looking for. Go ahead and lock this edge in. Make sure we don't have any wrinkles in there. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Now we can deal with these because we've got all that vertical tension on the side. All this right here. This is basically shrink. Oh, that's not what you want. All this should basically shrink into place. Oh my gosh. That is not what I'm trying to do for this video. Oh, we're going to finish on that, I said. Heat makes this one too cold. We're going to split in this. That's going to make things a little easier. Alright. Way too much vertical tension coming around there. So as I heat this, it should shrink onto itself. Let it pull back some. Boom. You want. All right. Address this top section. Shrink back onto itself. All right. This view might be terrible for you guys. I didn't think this one through. Now we're going to address all this in here. Anything else that we have up here we can do afterwards. This is where a lot of the tension is going to be. So we're going to make sure we have a spot for the air to escape. happy with that either. There we go. It's looking a whole lot better. A whole lot better. And then from here, we'll get the rest of these wrinkles out. Give it a little post heat. Let that sit. Sit right there. Stuff is amazing product. It works. Works just like vinyl wrap. All right, so we put you on the time lapse for the tucking portion part of that. This is more of a review than it is necessarily an install video. But this is the final product here. Way cheaper than painting it, and it's not permanent, so you can pull it off. You don't have to worry about any kind of issues or anything lifting because we've tucked back behind it by taking the tail light out. They also make a light and a dark smoke as well. Definitely recommend using this product. I'm not being paid by this or by them or anything like that. That's just how much I thoroughly enjoy using this product. I think it is superior. That is my 2 cents. But you can look them up on their social media or their website. It's Luxe Light Wrap. I definitely recommend this product. If you guys have any kind of questions or anything like that, make sure to hit us up in the comment section. We'll try to answer them the best that we can. But definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it. We've been growing the channel over the past 6-7 months now. We've been really trying to hit it hard. And we definitely appreciate everybody who has subscribed. So thank you.